biggest snow totals are happening in our southeast Indiana communities. Now on your sides, Bryce Anslinger is live in Vevay, Indiana with how they're coping tonight. Hi, Bryce.
Hey, good evening, Tanya. Yeah, this is one of the hardest hit areas of the Tri-State. You can just see how much snow is in this area, certainly more than a lot of places saw. They saw between 7 and 9 inches here in Switzerland County, right along the Ohio River. And, you know, the town of Vevay has been shut down for the most part. Many businesses have closed because of the snow. But this winter storm is big business for snow removal companies that have been waiting for a storm like this.
It's green, man. It's snowing green out here for us. You know that we like it. You know, we're about probably 5% of the population that like it. You know, I mean, a lot of people. It's hurting businesses. You know, it's hurting a lot of businesses, but some of us are thriving on it.
Now, a lot of the restaurants here in town are closed. I'm told they're typically closed on Monday, but a lot of other businesses that would normally be open are not open today because of just how much snowfall is here. The roads, I should say, completely covered here in Switzerland County for the most part. Tough driving conditions here in southeast Indiana. Again, one of the biggest snow totals around the area here in Vevay of 7 to 9 inches. Bryce Anslinger, not on your side, live from Vevay.